today we are going to be installing an erosion control blanket. The first step is site preparation, where we will be raking large rocks and removing debris. The purpose of removing large rock and debris is to get good contact with the erosion control blanket and the soil. Before you install your erosion control blanket, you will seed and fertilize at the recommended rate. We're going to be installing the blanket using the reverse trenching method. The first step after digging our trench is placing the blanket in the trench. Place the erosion control blanket upstream of the trench. Your arrows should be pointing downhill. After we place the blanket in the trench, we're going to secure it using sawed staples. Once we secure it, we're going to backfill it and compact. The next step is rolling your erosion control blanket down the hill. Make sure your blanket has reached the toe of the slope. Cut the excess material off of the erosion control blanket. Securing the pins by the recommended manufacturing staple patterns. You want intimate contact between the soil and the blanket surface. Make sure that there is no tenting occurring on the blanket. Overlap subsequent rolls following manufacturer's recommendations. A well-installed erosion control blanket, along with the proper upstream controls, will facilitate vegetative establishment and protect the slope from erosion. For more information, check out our website at stormwater.auburn.edu.